Hello everybody, sitting in front of me I have POCO F4 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can find and access the data, the mobile data usage information on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings app. Here go for the connections and sharing category. Scroll almost all the way down, go for the data usage. In here you'll have the detailed breakdown of the mobile data used for each individual SIM card. As you can see, it will contain the information on how much mobile, how much cellular data you have used on any particular application you have installed on your phone, or like any particular action, like the mobile hotspots, for example. If you want to switch the SIM cards that you are, looking the mobile data usage for, you gotta simply open up the control center, tap on the bottom right corner of the mobile data shortcut, just like so, and switch the SIM card. So let me enable it first. I'll switch between my two SIM cards real quick. And in here, just switch on them. And once we get back to the data usage, we'll see that now we'll see the breakdown for the SIM2. Whilst before, we were looking at the data usage for the first SIM card, for the SIM card at the first slot. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.